Good. So this is a demonstration of the ABAP MCP Bridge. So this allows you not to have to run anything locally or do any installations. So maybe you're running on a corporate machine and you just need to connect to an MCP server. So after logging into the tool, you then put in the URL of your ABAP system. So in this case, we're using an ABAP Cloud system. We can then log into that ABAP Cloud system, and then you can download the cookies. So there's some Chrome extensions called Get Cookies, and you can kind of export your cookies. So once you've done that, you then come back to the admin dashboard. You say you want to authenticate using cookies. You select that file, and then you upload it. And you can see 2 cookies have been loaded. Now what we can do is we can actually test that connection. And so now the bridge is trying to connect to the SAP system, which it successfully can. And what we can see is we can also just see some of the logs if there's any errors. The other thing is, depending on what your use case is, maybe you just want to introspect some objects. So we can switch on read write or just read. And you can also switch off the MCP server if you need to. So what's next is pretty simple. What you then do is you just include this MCP server in your tool of choice, and then you can start querying the database. I'll show that in another video.